ADA, we start with 1 hour chart. Just I want to give a quick update. Okay, if we refer to our analysis when the price was here, we mentioned that if how we can look for buy or sell, but as you can see, there is no much changes. The only thing is the price drop a bit more, and now the way is correcting. We want to see how we can look for the next trade. Usually, when we have this kind of the correction, we can expect this one for the continuation. But if this one continues similar to what we have here, if we get any short move with the flag, we can look for buy. By the way, we start with the daily chart. Okay, we want to see what we have based on daily chart. All right, based on daily chart, this is what we have. And already as we can get the short move, the price reversed. The price couldn't broke the previous top based on daily. And now we move to forward chart. Okay, and as we can see based on forward chart after the price drop, now is as I mentioned based on 1 hour chart, we need to get the proper correction here to see the next continuation. Whether this is a correction similar to what I drew here, I draw it back again, similar to what I drew here for one more drop, or we should get the short move for the reversal. Okay, but based on forward chart, we have nothing to trade, and still we have to wait. And if we move to 1 hour chart, as I explained, this one can continue drop similar to what I drew in here. But if we get any continuation similar to what we have here, any sharp move with a flag, we can look for buy. Okay, because if the price continues similar to what's correcting right now, we don't have any, when we for the sell, we cannot get any trade setup unless this one change the correction similar to what I drew here, as I explained based on forward chart. All right. Rather than that, we don't have anything here. And if you move to 15 minute, okay, one thing you need to see here, whether this is a correction for one more drop, or we can consider this for, look at this for one more flag or a small correction for continuation. All right, even if we get a one more, the buy setup here, may it doesn't move very high because it can be a correction similar to what we have here for one more drop. The only things we can see here, if we put this one in relative to this, we had divergence. By the way, we prefer to trade based on 1 hour chart. Okay, and as you can see based on 1 hour chart, the correction we have is doesn't give us any trade. That means we have to wait to get the proper correction. Again, if we want to look for buy, we need to get the really sharp move with the flag. This is the only things we can right now we can right now look for. And if you want to look for sell, we need to get the correction similar to what I draw here. Rather than that, we don't have any other option. The only things is the best things we wait and see how we can get. Okay, as I say, if we get the sharp move, if we see there is a reversal with the flag, we can trade it. By the way, we don't have any trade and proper trade setup. The only thing is correcting. In this case, we wait and see what's the next. If I see, in this case, we just follow the chart. If I see any update, then I will share. Thanks.